Ever wondered how to make every user's results feel personalized without creating dozens of different result pages? In this video, we'll look at how you can use dynamic images and text in Outgrow to customize your results based on each user's responses automatically. Let's jump into the Outgrow dashboard. Open the content piece you'd like to personalize. This can be a calculator, quiz, assessment, poll, or any other interactive experience. Once you're inside the builder, navigate to the results screen. Start by customizing your result text. Click into any heading or description where you'd like to add personalization. Then insert dynamic variables that pull information from your user's responses, such as their name, email, score, selected option, or any other answer they've provided. Instead of displaying the same message to everyone, you can greet users by name or reference their specific results, making the experience feel much more personal. Next, personalize your result images. Rather than showing the same image to every visitor, you can display different visuals based on their answers. For example, if you're running a fitness quiz like this, users who get Pilates Propeller can see a Pilates-themed image, while those who receive Yoga Dynamo, Pilates with a yoga twist, or yoga with a Pilates flare will each see visuals that reflect their recommended practice. This makes the results feel much more personalized and engaging. Another great example is a product recommendation quiz. If a user is recommended a specific product based on their answers, the result page can automatically display that product's image along with a personalized recommendation and call to action. Different user segments can receive unique messaging, recommendations, and visuals, all within a single Outgrow experience. This allows you to deliver tailored experiences at scale without duplicating your content. Before publishing, preview your content and test different response combinations. With dynamic images and text, you can transform static result pages into personalized experiences that capture attention, improve engagement, and make every interaction feel more relevant. Start your 7-day free trial with Outgrow to create interactive experiences with personalized results. No coding needed.